Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you doing? Welcome once again to our Accounting 101 Part 2. Um, Once again, we were able to get Molly. Thank you so much, Molly, for coming through.
Thanks, John.
This might be the last one, might not be. We might have just one more after this. But if it is the last one, then we most probably have another one beginning of next year, but we'll let you know. We'll let you guys know. Today it's Accounting 101 Part 2, and we're going to be focusing more on company expenses, um, trial balance, just a little bit of pay stack. And Molly here is going to explain to us how these different features work. And I will be asking her questions as though I'm a client, and then she will go ahead and explain to us. So, Molly, firstly, I noticed clients ask a lot about company expenses and the journals. Do you mind just walking us through how you add a journal and month end and year end? Maybe we can start with the purpose of adding different journals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Jonathan. So, firstly, all the expenses that are reported in bank import will, once you have allocated it, will go to your company expenses. So the last time we did a bank import, but only with your customer, with your income. So the income coming from your customer, which will be in the accounting on the customer statements. But now the expenses will be in your company expenses. All right, and these are a couple of examples. Okay. Now, entering, say for instance, you are buying something cash and you come home with a slip, then you add this journal here. You add the journal, the date, the category will be an expense, and then your debit will be whatever you paid for. Like, for instance, you gave a donation on this specific day, and then it came from your, let's say we take insurance fee that you paid, and then it will come from your current account. It will be a current account, and you will slot in your amount, and the description will be, it can be the insurance, for instance, and this will show on the information there, and then the comment is not really important, and then you save this. And then this is how you add the specific slip to the expense, so that it lie here with all your other expenses, and it will be ready by month end if you want to do a month end.
Okay, can I ask you a question? If I so happen to allocate an expense from bank import, is that expense automatically posted here as well?
Automatically posted here.
Okay, cool. All right. Then just walk me through what is the importance of month end basically?
Yeah, the importance of month end is to get all these journals posted to your general ledger and then your trial balance. Okay, so in order to do a complete trial balance at the end of the month or at the end of the year, it's important to do month ends and then year end. Yeah.
Okay. So it's important to do maybe every month or every second month you do a month end to keep track of your journals, basically, and then at the end of the year you do a year end.
Yeah, and what I like about month end is it makes your work smaller, your workload smaller. If you can say, my March, the month of March is done, it's balancing with my bank, and I can go on to April. So, but you can leave it for a year. It's just then your workload is a lot. Yeah. So if we look at month end, this is the only screen that you get, and you will, for instance, you want to do a month end for the month of October, then you will just choose the end of October. Now, all the months that didn't have a month end up until the 31st of October, the system will do a month end automatically.
Okay.
And then you can decide if you want to do the company journals, which is everything that is listed here in company expenses, or the customer journal, which is your income, or you want to do both month end. And then you save it, and then now, like the system says, all these journals are posted to your general ledger.
Okay.
Yeah. Then you'll also see the status or completed and not pending.
Okay, cool. Well, that's pretty simple. So it just makes your work much easier and allows you to keep track of the different journals and transactions expense-wise.
Yeah.
That leads me to the next question. How important is the year end?
Yeah. Well, if you did 12 months ends, it's just actually a press of a button.
Okay, cool.
Okay. So if you did all your month ends for the year and you know that it's balancing with your bank, then year end is very easy. It's a press of a button. And yeah, if you didn't do month ends, year end is very important to get those journals to your
Journal
journal
ledger.
so that you can draw a trial balance and give it to your accountant when tax season starts.
You mentioned accountant. How beneficial is it, the year end, to our clients' accountants, basically?
Yeah, so financially to our clients, this is very good to just give them a trial balance. So it makes the amount of time that your accountants spend on your books a lot less.
Makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, so this is basically it concerning the company expenses, adding a journal, month end and year end. It doesn't seem like a very difficult task. It's feasible. I think we can tackle the next topic, Paystack. Now on Paystack, we're not really gonna um, go into detail. So what I'm gonna suggest concerning Paystack is we already have a PDF that we can send to you for those that are interested. Please keep in mind that if you do want to use Paystack, just go and Google the transaction fees. And if you're willing to pay those fees, if it's feasible for your company, if it doesn't make sense for your company, please do not use it. But for those who would love to use Paystack for their business, it works so well. So what Molly's going to do for us, she's just going to download a statement and show us where the Paystack button is and how easy it is to make a payment. Molly, please show us how simple it is.
So after you've been to Paystack and like the document that we can show, send our customers, it really explains step by step going onto Paystack, downloading a statement. Then on AdminOnline, you go to your payment provider import. And from here, you choose your payment provider, which in our sense is now Paystack. And then from there, after you've chosen Paystack, you just say import CSV. So it works a lot the same as our bank import here from your different banks. You say import statement, you again choose Paystack, browse for that CSV that you saved, and then submit it. And then all the detail from your Paystack account, the transactions, people that paid into Paystack for you will be here, and you can allocate it. And from here, it directly goes onto your customer statement. There's not another step.
Okay. All right. Do you mind showing us what their clients see when they get a statement? So if you can just download a statement for us and then see if you click on Pay Now, where does it go and how does it look, basically?
Okay, yes, that's a good idea. So from accounting, we will just choose one.
Okay.
And we can just download a statement. Yeah. So let's open this statement of the client.
Just close it and open it again. Right there, the blue button, the blue, right there. There we go. No problem.
So this is the statement that your client will receive, and here, top right, is the Pay Now button. So the moment they click there, it will direct them to your Paystack account, and they can pay from here. Yeah.
So for your clients to know if they're with the right company, you can add your logo. As you see, we AdminOnline have got the AdminOnline logo. So you're allowed to customize this whole page. You don't even have to worry about the account number. It's automatically added, email address, and so forth. And we've got the different types of payment. I'm just going to enter an amount in here so that we can show you. We just enter R1. We can pay now. All right. So these are the different options. We've got card, scan to pay, snap scan, and EFT. So It's like one of the most simplest processes. There is a fee, that's why I suggest that you go and check the fees first and see if they're suitable for your business. All right, well, thank you very much, Molly, for explaining that for us. Last but not least, today's one is going to be pretty short, but this is a very important one. It is the trial balance. If you can just brief to us, if you wish to go into depth, whatever knowledge you have concerning the trial balance, you just explain to us, Molly, how beneficial is it? How can you use it? And how beneficial is it towards our clients using it?
Okay, okay. Yeah, so to get a trial balance at the end of the financial year, to give it to your accountant, you go onto your AdminOnline system and you click on reports. And then the trial balance is the number 10 report on our system, trial balance. And then to view the report, so you can draw a trial balance for 6 months or for a month or 2 months. Um, let's say we want to draw it for the month of October that we just did the month end for, and then you just put the end date there for your trial balance. So this is a very good tool to have and to use on AdminOnline. Okay, so we can save it here, and then let's just open our trial balance. So on this screen, you will see the trial balance, and there will also be all your general ledgers. Yeah. So the tabs take you to trial balance and general ledgers, and it will show you we draw this trial balance today. It is for the month of October, and there's all the amounts. Obviously, we don't have all of them covered because this is just a test system. But if you then go to your general ledger, it starts with your current account and it just takes you through all the assets and then
Different journals, basically.
Journals, yeah, here's your expenses, each and every expense. Yeah.
Great. So this is a disclaimer. We are not an accounting package, please. This is like the most highest level of accounting we can offer you guys. So as Molly just explained, there's not really much to really explain here. This is a document that you download a report and you can give it to your accountant, and they'll let you know if the books are balancing according to your business year or your financial year. I don't know. Do you have anything else in mind you wish to share with them? Or?
Yeah, I just remembered that they must remember they can change expenses. So this is just a default format that we set up. Um, our clients can change all these different expenses or the names as it will suit their business.
Suit their
Yeah, so
business,
they can make it really
personal.
personal. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
I think that's
Alright.
it. Yeah.
Okay, no. Ladies and gentlemen, like I said, today was a very short one. Thank you so much for your time. We appreciate the support you've given us throughout the whole year, and we appreciate your feedback to improve our product. And we wish you the rest of a successful year. If we do have another webinar, we will let you know. Thank you for your time. Thank you, Molly, for availing yourself for the past two webinars. We appreciate your knowledge and we wish you all a wonderful day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jonathan.